Different package. Package is different, but protected worked. No specifier did not work. Protected work. But when class is different without relation, even protected also losing its hope. No chance for protected also. Only public. Only public can work. Now we can draw 3 points from this. In exam also you can mention. That's why I'm talking about this. Which is the most restricted access specifier? Is the most private is the most restricted. It can work only within the same class in which it is declared. Is it not? So is the private is the most restricted access specifier. It can work within the same class. It can work within the same class in which it is declared. In which it is. Got it? So that is the effect of private. It is the most restricted access specifier. It can work only. It can work only. It can work only within the same class in which it is declared. That is the meaning of that. Next one. What about no specifier? No specifier behaves like. Just 1 second. No specifier behaves like public when within the same package context. Behaves like public. Just like public. See, for public, everything yes, 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 yes. All the time, yes, 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 yes. For no specifier, within the same package, yes, 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 yes. Okay, that's why I can compare behaves. Can you hear me? Some outside disturbance is coming all of a sudden. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Behaves, it will go away. Behaves like public in the same context. Behaves like public. That's why I never used any specifier till now. Maybe in inner class I used private one time. Other than that, never used, because if you don't write anything, it behaves like public within the same package. But if you move to the package, that is different. Protected. Okay, fine. Protected can work in another package, provided inheritance is there. Is it not? Relation is there. Can work. Can work in another package also. Another also provided relation inheritance is established. Otherwise it won't work. And public is the least restricted, is the least, just opposite to private, is the least restricted access specifier. Restricted access specifier. There is a difference. So based on this, we will do a very big program. That is the end, of course. Before that, small little things are there. Let us complete those things also. That is, wait. We can create sub package. How to create a sub package? We will write a small program. How to create a sub package? I will do one thing. Same program I will copy, but create a sub package this time. And how to import also we will show. I will show you. See the package which I am creating. Package is the keyword. It should be the first statement in your program. Package pack 1. Inside that, see what I'm doing. Pack 2. Double protection. Like pack 1 consists of a subfolder called as pack 2. Pack 1 is the main folder, is the subdirectory that consists of another subdirectory, that is pack 2. So same program, copy paste, and let me make it as edition 1. Otherwise, that's edition dot, same result, you'll get it. But see the moment, I'll show you that also. See, till now there is no pack 2. There is no pack 2 here. But see, I opened pack 1. Any pack 2? No pack 2. But see what is going to happen right now. Just a minute. Java C space minus T space dot space dot space. What is the file name? Edition 1 dot Java. Just 1 second, coming back. Just 1 second. Right. So I have given that command to compile the application. See, immediately pack 2 is created here. Pack 2 is created. If I open pack 2, what is there in that? Edition 1 is there, isn't it? Edition 1 is there inside that. So the program which I compiled right now, dot class file is there. That is very important. Forget about dot Java. Dot class is important. So that is a package double safe. It is pack 2 is present in pack 1. That is a way to compile. And how to run that? Let us run that as well. Very simple. But while running, you have to provide fully qualified path. So edition 1 is present in which pack? Pack 1 dot, pack 2 dot, edition 1. You got the output here? You can see sum equals 18. So this is called as fully qualified path. Otherwise, you can also try like this. See here what I'm doing. Forward slash, here also forward slash, and enter. Got it? Same output. Reverse will not work. That works in Unix operating system. Unix or Linux, I believe. Okay. So that is about that. Done. Now, not only classes, we can put some interfaces also in a package. Why not we create one interface this time? Isn't it? Let us create one interface this time. Let us create an interface this time. Interface. Let me call it as interface. I capital I have here. Don't write small letter because small letter in I is this is predefined. It's a keyword and predefined moreover. Okay, done. Right now, let me write one method in that. Void greet. One abstract method is there in that, nothing more than that. And let me put this interface in a package because I told you package is subdirectory that consists of class, not only classes and interfaces too. So let me create a package at the top. Package pack 1. Inside pack 1, I am putting that. Already it is created, but inside that I am putting that also. Let me save this with the name interface. Oh, sorry, interface.java is this. Again, I will say what is that. So interface dot java. Interface.java. This I have to delete. Now, let me go with another class where you have to implement that, is it not? We have to implement that interface. We have to implement that. So let me create another file for implementing that. So let me create another file for implementing that. But you have to import that. Import. It is not in any package. This is totally out of package. But I want to import that interface. I mean that package. What is the package name? Pack 1. Pack 1. I'm going to import. How to import? Don't write Java because it is user defined. Only for predefined, you write like this: import java dot io dot. We have done this so many times, right? But here it is not. IO is predefined, but here my pack, that is my own. So import pack 1 dot, what is that file name? Interface. I mean interface is that interface name, right? Interface, like this you can give. Interface, semicolon. Now, a class in that, because class can implement that interface. Class demo implements implements. What is the interface name? Interface. And now here we will implement that. While implementing, you have to put public, right? Public void. Public is mandatory. I have shown you during interfaces. Public, don't forget, in interface also I am covering. So this is an interface which already we have created, but it is not other than interface. It is present in a package by name pack1, right? And I am going to implement that interface. How do you implement? By using implements, because interfaces can be implemented by using implements keyword. Who will implement? This class will implement that. But while implementing that abstract method, you have to make it as public void greet is the method. We put some message inside that system.out.print. Put some message SIET or very little application demo. You can store it anywhere. It is not a part of package. Normal program demo.java. Done. Now first program. Can you compile? Interface program. Can you compile? Yes. Compile. How do you compile? When you are explaining how can you put an interface, not only creation of that class we have done, we can create an interface also inside a package. You can show that also in your exam. JavaC space -d, because interface is part of package pack1. So JavaC space -d space dot space, what is that interface name? Interface dot java. You can compile that, no problem. A dot class file will be created or not? Let us check. Let us check. Is the dot class file created or not? If I open pack1, yes, yes. Interface dot class. See, I am deleting this again. You can see. You can see again. I'm going to execute this, compile this one more time. See, it will come. Came. Interface dot class came. Can you run that? No, because it doesn't consist of main method. Where is main method? I forgot. Even in here also I have not written main, it seems. Let me go with this. Yeah, main is not there. I will add that. Public void. So what is the job? How to invoke that greet? I can create object to demo. Very simple. Demo d is equal to new demo, and with the help of d I can access d dot greet. For interface you can only create reference, but for class you can create object. Save it. Now we can run this demo. Yeah, we can compile and run this, but it is not in any package. If you want, you can put, I am not interested. That's why I kept this class out of package. Just I'm importing that interface. So JavaC space file name is demo.java. Oh, what is that? One more brace I missed here, isn't it? Right. Right. Oh, still implements interface. Implements interface. I want to star if I do. Just 1 second. Went wrong. What is it? Demo implements interface. What is wrong with that? Bad source interface.java. Let me compile that again. Previous interface.java, that is compiled. And wait. Dot star you cannot write, I believe. Import pack1 dot interface. That is correct. It is showing class demo implements interface public void greet. We have done it. Main method. What is the
So
mistake?
we need to create a reference to the interface, I think.
We need to
create an reference to the interface?
Not really required. Directly you can access that. No issue. That is not at all an issue. I can try like that also, but it is not an issue. In the last class also it came, a problem came, I solved that. But again, I forgot how I solved. Just one day before, I told to other girls, separate class, interface I, and then what you said I can understand, but it is not the issue. Something else is the issue. If it is not working, I will check that also. No issue. I equals to D. You are saying like this, right? But it is not the issue. It is not the issue. The other, the somewhere else I went wrong. Let me check that. No, that is not the thing. That is not the thing at all. This is not required. Directly with the object, you can invoke that because this is implementing that anyways. You can do that. Let me check the other folder. On that day also, I have done a similar mistake, but I did not correct myself with that mistake. I got output at last. I checked that. I have taken a couple of minutes and did that well afterwards. Let me check it once. Same program. Yeah, here it is. Just check the interface, same interface. I think almost all done. Yeah, package pack 3, public interface. Same thing, na? Oh, I missed public keyboard. Yeah, that is same mistake I have done today also. Oh. So whenever you are going to write that, you have to make it public to available for the other class. Yes, yes. I'm forgetting every time the same repeated mistake I'm doing. I'm not learning from the mistake. So here is the mistake. Independently it is working, but it cannot be moved to the other level. You have to make it as public. Right. That is a difference. Again, you need to compile and run it. You'll get demo. I have not changed it now. Nothing else is changed from demo. Yeah. Oh, here D dot. Right. Right. Let me run this. Now it will come. No issue. Small thing. I forgot everything. Right. Okay. Compiled. But how to run this? This is not in any package. I mean, demo is not in any package. Please see here, this program, demo program. Just you are importing that interface, but this demo is not in any package. So let us do it normally. Java space demo. You'll get output. Yes, you got it. But I want to place this also in another package. The package statement should be the first statement. I told you now. Package pack 3. I want to put that in pack 3. A new package I'm creating. And again, I need to execute this program separately, right? Little variation. So normal compilation is not sufficient. Previously, what I have done, Java C space demo.java worked fine. But now it is under package pack 3. So how to compile? Minus D space dot space demo dot Java. Demo dot Java. Yes, success. Now how to execute? Java space fully qualified path. It is present in pack 3 dot. Done? Yes. But is this really required? Let me check. I'm importing. Is it really required? That also you can understand. You can get it out. It won't work, I believe. Let me check once. Will it work? Yes, here it is. Oh, it's working fine. This is not required. Is it not? Great, no? Even implements is not required. It is working fine. Got it? You are not implementing that, but still how it worked, because you are importing. At the top you can see import pack1 dot interface. That is enough. You need not implement. It is working fine. Understood? Any doubts in this program? Just two small programs. See what I have done. I want to do with interface also. That's why I have created one small interface. You can see. And what is the interface name? Interface itself is the name. I capital letter. Small letter don't use. It is predefined. Interface name. And don't forget putting public. I am repeatedly forgetting that. You please remember that. And then pack 1. In this interface is present in pack 1. And only one unimplemented method, greet. Okay, you can have default methods also. Once you come back from your exam, I will discuss about that. A default method and a static method, both can be there in interface. After 1.8 version, they changed strategy. I will discuss about that. Don't worry. So this is the interface, very simple. Interface name is interface. It is present in pack one, and there is one unimplemented method by name greet. And don't forget putting public behind before that, and then the implementation one. But I never used implements here. Directly, I'm putting one class, but this is important. I'm importing that. How to import? While importing user-defined package, don't write Java, directly put that package name in which interface is present. Interface is present in which package? Pack1. So pack1 dot interface. And then that unimplemented method, when you are defining, you have to write public. If you don't write public, it will give error message, right? And then we display that, and then create object and invoke that. Any doubts in this? So only one big program is left. That shall I go with that? Instead of typing, I will show you that program. Let us not waste time. That's why already one done program is there. I will open that folder. To other girl, I explained that. Okay. On the other day, just very fresh that application. I will show you that. Very interesting. Quickly, we can move that. In your exam, they may ask you. See, they may ask you a big question sometimes like this. The question is, I told you how to create a package, and that and this I told you already. Simple thing. You can create interface, you can create a class also inside a package. We can create a sub package also. That also we have done. Fine. But another big question they can ask, that is on access control. Can you explain through program how these access specifier works? They may ask you sometime essay question. Only one big question in this chapter. That is, you have to draw the table and you have to give a very big program. That I'm going to show you. What is the question? What is access control? How do you define these things like private, no specifier, protected, public? What are the access specifiers? They may ask you. Write a program on that. Only access control by the program. What is access control? Write a program on that. Or what are access specifiers? Write a program on that. Okay, how these specifiers work, they can ask in that way. So then immediately you have to answer this. Let me go with that, and after that it is your choice. After break, if you want exception handling or else any other choice, otherwise close it, because you know what to do for tomorrow, right? Here is that packages, not this, programs. Hmm, packages, yes. Oh, for that girl also I explained from somewhere, I think. So I have done before. Just one second. Just one second. I'm not phone ichna. Anita, phone ichna. Sir. Ichna. So way back I have done this. Due to lack of time, I have done this. Where is that packages? Packages. Here it is. Yeah. See, what I have done is just the reference is that big table. That big table is the reference itself. So I have created a couple of programs here. You can see, you can easily understand. Very simple. Display one is the first program you have to write for that essay question. Access control is the question, or otherwise access specifiers. Sometimes they may ask you, what is access control? Write a program. Or otherwise, what are the access specifiers? Write a program by creating packages, something like that. You can understand. First program is, this is the one. See the program, very simple. Package name is pack1. You know how to create a package. What is the class name? Display one. Public. Don't forget putting public. I have done before mistake, right? So display one. So in that all four variables I kept. Spry, no specifier, protected, public. Four variables. I have gone with four. Spry, yes, spro, spub. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are initialized, right? One is private, no specifier, protected, public. That is important. All are present in which class? Don't forget. Very easy to design. Display one. Then can you find a constructor? This is a book which I picked. This is a program which I picked from Complete Reference. This is a very good program. Same program I'm telling from the past few years, because this is the program which can cover this table totally. Okay, you can go with a non-constructor, but constructor makes things very simple. See, I have gone with a constructor. You forget about the first statement. That is for a design purpose. To understand, I have made one statement. Leave it. No issue at all. Now, I examine these 4 lines of code. Any doubt, please ask me. See that table and tell me. In first row, everything is working. Private is working. No specifier is working. Protected is working, and public is also working or not? Yes. So I made all the variables available within the same class. Same class, na? What is the class name? Display one is the class. Within that class, all these variables are going to work. Yes. It is the parent class. Everything is working fine in that. Isn't it? So can I compile this? Yes, 100% you can compile that. Let me compile that. Let me compile that. Space. What is the file name? Oh, I forgot. What is the file name? Display one, I guess. Display one dot Java. No, that is not the way to compile. How to compile? It is present in package. Package means JavaC space minus D space dot space display one dot Java. Like that you have to compile. A dot class file will be created in pack one. Right. Understood? But can you execute this program? No, you cannot execute this. See this. Here is the program, and here is the compilation. You can see. Here is the compilation. Is it matching or not? See, it is present in package pack one. That's why I use it minus d dot display one dot Java. Yes. So what will happen? A dot class file will be created in pack one. Right. Let me open the next program, and all variables will work. Main method somewhere else I have written. Don't worry about that. And then next program. Let me go to the next one. Display two. Yes, yes. See, have a close look. It is also present in the same package, right? Second row. Please see the second row. Same package, but inheritance is there or not? Tell me. Tell me, inheritance is there or not? B inherits A or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Here also, can you find that? Yes. Display 2. Child for display 1. And can you see a constructor inside? Yes. And see the comment? Only one thing will not work. What is that? What is that? You have to show
Private, sir.
like this. Yeah, in exam also you can do like this. This will not work. And put a comment. Remaining all are going to work. Remaining all are going to work. Just 1 second. I will use this wireless got, I mean, some discharge has taken place. ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఇది డిశ్చార్జ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇది ఛార్జింగ్ లేదు. అది రైట్. Just 1 second. I'm putting wired connection. It has been discharged quickly. And let me change this. Let me change this also. Just 1 second. Headset, headphones. Let's work. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The correct one, I think. Hello.
It is audible.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can hear me, but I cannot hear you. What happened? Just a minute. It's muted. I cannot hear you. If I remove this, just a minute. Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I can use
Yes, sir.
without this, otherwise that is better option. Can you all hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Anything muted? I can't understand. Why I'm unable to hear you? Let me check here. I might have changed something. So many options are available. I don't know the names of these things. Speaks. I think this is correct. Now, one of you can speak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, that is okay. Let me go with this. So second class, this is second class display 2, but it is a child for display 1. And only, I mean, same strategy. I have gone with a constructor, and one thing will not work. That is private. Please cross check that what you say. Second row, please go ahead with second row. No for private. Remaining all are going to work. Okay, no change in the code. Directly yes will work. Directly. Why I'm saying, because in the next class it is not going to directly work. You need to create an object. So any doubt in this program? Can I compile this? Let us compile this. Display 2. It is also present in pack 1, right? Done successfully. Now let me go to the third one. What is the third one? Display 3. Immediately. Display 3. Here is display 3. You can see. What are the changes? Same package. Third row, please check. Same package. Here is the third row for you. Third row. Same package. Same package P1, or here it is pack 1. But class is different. Any relation? Non-extending A. No relation with A. Yes. Display 3 is a different one. No relation with A class. Is it not? No relation. And there is a constructor here also. But see what is happening internally. No relation means object is required, because in the previous class it is a child one. You need not create object directly, except private, everything will come. But here it is not a child for display 1. Is it not? So how to extract that data? All are non-static variables. Is it not? See the variables in display 1. They're all non-static. Static is not there. Non-static variables. How to non-static variables means instance variables. Object is an instance of a class. So create object to invoke them. Yes. To display 1, I have created object. And again in display 1 there is a constructor. Again constructor is invoked na. That's why you will get output twice for display 1. Display 1, is there a constructor or not? Yes, constructor is there. That is also invoked. This is invoked another time. First time it will invoke anyways when you create object for display 1 in the main method. But other than that, in display 3 also you created object. So it will be invoked. Display 1 will be invoked twice. Okay, fine. Now except private, everything will work, but directly they will not work. D dot, yes, because there is no relation. Display 3 is not a child for display 1. So how do you invoke those non-static variables, instance variables? Create object for display 1 class and invoke d dot s, d dot s pro, d dot s pro. So let us compile. Any doubts in this? Please ask me. Why I have created object for display 1? I told you in the past also in C++, if a child is there, he doesn't require promissory note to take money. But if outsider is there, he will he will give a promissory note na, for lending money like that. So you cannot access them directly. Those variables other than private. Private anyways chance is not there. For protected, public and no specifier, you need to create object. They are all instance. They are all instance variables, right? So you need to create an object, and with the help of object only, you can invoke them. Let us compile this program also. Don't execute, just compile, because main is not there in that, right? Right. Now let us go with display 4 quickly. Display 4, time is ticking. So display 4, here little bit different. See, have a close look at the code. Extends, yes. So display 4 is also a child for display 1, but package is changed, is it not? So display 4 extends. Normally you write display 1. If display 1 also belongs to pack 2, you need not write pack 1. But parent is present in pack 1, child is present in pack 2. Something like parent staying in one state, child staying in some other state. But still relation is there, no? That's why display 1 is the parent, because extends is there. But display 1 is present in which pack? So you have to access like that. Pack 1 dot display 1. Additionally, pack 1 dot will come. Pack 1 dot display 1. And there is a constructor, and you can access all the data except 2. Fourth row, except 2 or not. See, first 2 will not work. No specifier also, no chance. Remaining 2 only will work. Protected and public can only work. Protected is working. See, protected, it is not commented. Public also will work. First 2 will not work. Got it? Like that. Any doubts in this? Please ask me. Is it matchable with fourth row or not? Fourth row. Is it matching this row? Yes, come out. Right.
Yes, sir.
Next, display 5. But display 5, last row. Last row means last row. See, here is a constructor. Here is a constructor, but no relation. Display 5 is not having any relation with display 1. If relation is there, I would have given extends pack 1 dot display 1, but I have not written like that. It means no relation. Then how to access? First 3 will fail even if you try to access. Is it not? Only public can be accessible. See the last row in the table? No. Only one yes. What is that yes? For public. Public only yes. So only public. I have uncommented. No comment for public. But carefully see that. No relation. How to access? Create object for display 1. How to create object for display 1? Because display 1 is present in pack 1. You just add pack 1 before that. Normally you create object like this. Normally how do you create object? Display 1 space D or something like that is equal to new. Normally you do like this on normal basis. But what is the additional thing which you have to do here? Of course, semicolon at the end. Because display 1 is present in pack 1 dot. Here also pack 1 dot. That is the only difference which you have to observe. Pack 1 dot display 1. Right. This is the thing which I have done before here. You can see here. And why object is required? Because display 5 is not having any relation with display 1. So object is required because instance variables are there in display 1, and that too only public you can access because there is no relation with that and it is in different package. So you can access only public. So let me compile this also quickly. Then we can move to main. Yes, any doubt? Ask me.
Sir, pack